Alright, we're gonna start stapling these in here like this. See that? And then you push it down. I'm gonna hold on to something for you now. You have to do it really hard. And there's one. Look at that. Perfect. Now we're gonna keep running it all around across the cable. We're running cable, go all around the house. This is for cameras and other things. So let's continue. All right. That's another one. Always grab from here, as long as you don't grab the cable. There we go. All right, check it out. This is perfect for setting up cable management. All right. This is it's not included with it, but you could buy any sizes, different sizes, nails and so forth. So this is perfect for those that are going to run cable. I like the handle. You need to hold on to something when you're doing this because it's strong when it pops out. All right. So I ended up buying these. You guys can see that they have a clearance for cable. I'm going to run 2 cables too.